Did you know that there are hundreds of add-on extensions for all of the Google Drive products? All you have to do is click Extensions at the top, then Add-ons and Get Add-ons. This will bring up the database of all the different add-on extensions for the Google Drive suite of products, from Gmail and Google Drive itself to Google Docs, Slides, and Sheets. The GoalSeek add-on, made by Google themselves, is one great example. It helps you calculate the needed input for a specified output value. Once installed, simply go back to the top and click Extensions again, but this time go to the bottom of the options and select GoalSeek and then Open. This will pull up a window to the side where you can first select the output cell for set cell, then what you want the output to be for target value, and which cell to change to get that desired value for by changing cell. Now, just simply click Solve and watch it manipulate the by changing cell value through many iterations in order to arrive at your desired output value. When it's finished with its calculations, the by changing cell will be changed to whatever is needed to get the output you specified for the target value. If this was helpful or new information for you, follow us at Spreadsheet Nerds for even more tips and tricks in the future, and repost to help others in your network with their spreadsheet problems. Let our team of nerds help you solve your next business spreadsheet or data issue, so get in touch today for a free consultation to see how we can save you time and money with custom solutions.